This is going to be a brief overview on how to find distances on Google Maps. What we're going to do is to find the distance from Danvers High School to the Beverly Airport and then over to Proctor's Farm. The first thing that you want to do is to figure out where you want to start. This might be on the corner of whatever you're trying to find. And then if you do if you're on a Chromebook, you click with two fingers. If you're on like a Mac, if you do a control click, or if you have an older mouse, you might be able to do a left click somehow. And you get a menu that pops up like this. We're going to click the bottom thing, which is measure distance. To find the distance from where we just clicked to the Beverly Airport, we're going to just now click Beverly Airport. And we get, this is 4,398.84 feet. If you want to use this to outline an area, you can do that. The problem that you got to be a little bit careful of is you got to write down the distances of each piece before you go. So I would write down 4398.84, and then if I want to click on Proctor Farm, I can do that, but now I've got 1.73 miles. So from this I'd have to subtract that 4,300 number to figure out the length of that second piece. The other thing that you can do with this, if you end up clicking back to where you begin, it will tell you the total distance on that whole triangle. So that would be the perimeter, this 2.79 miles thing. And if you look down below, it also tells you the area of this region. So one of the things that you can do is to use this to check any area calculations that you do.